Dear students, in last class we studied the relationship between phase current and line currents in a delta connected balanced three-phase system. In today's class we will study power calculation in a three-phase balanced system. First we will take star connected system. RYB are the three lines here. We know that in star connected system, line voltage is equal to root 3 times phase voltage, and line current is equal to phase current. Say this is impedance ZPH, and ZPH, because in balanced three-phase system all impedances will be equal in magnitude and in phase. Say these impedances are having phase angle of 5 degrees. Now we have to calculate phase current, knowing phase current equal to line current. We can come to know what is line current. Here through R line current IR flows, and line current IR is equal to phase current IPHR. But in case of balanced three-phase system, all phase currents are equal, all line currents are equal, all phase voltages are equal, and all line voltages are equal. We can write IL equal to IPH. But VL is equal to VPH into root 3. This relationship we have derived previously. Phase current IPH is equal to phase voltage VPH by ZPH at an angle of phi but VPH is equal to line voltage divided by root 3. So I can write VL by root 3 whole divided by ZPH at an angle of phi. So when we simplify it, we will be getting VL by root 3 times ZPH at an angle of minus phi. So phase current will be lagging the phase voltage by an angle of phi when in each phase impedance of ZPH at an angle of phi is connected. Power consumed by three-phase circuits capital P is equal to sum of power consumed each phase for a balanced three-phase system. Power consumed is equal to 3 times power consumed by each phase. That is equal to 3 into VPH into IPH into cos phi. So when we take phase quantities for calculation of power, power is equal to 3 times VPH IPH cos phi. If we take line quantities, then can write here also P is equal to 3 into what is VPH? VPH is VL by root 3 and IPH is equal to IL into cos phi. So here root 3 and 3 will get cancelled, giving out root 3. So power consumed P becomes equal to root 3 into VL into IL into cos phi. When we take line quantities, power may be calculated as root 3 times line voltage into line current into cos phi. Now we will take delta connected system. So in this delta connected system, we are having 3 lines R, Y and B. and phase impedances ZPH at an angle of phi in each phase. See, these are phase currents. In delta connected system, we know that VL is equal to VPH and IL is equal to root 3 times IPH. Phase current IPH is equal to VPH by ZPH at an angle of phi. Since VPH is equal to VL, we can write phase current as VL, taking phi to the numerator, it will become minus phi divided by ZPH. Line current IL is equal to root 3 times IPH. So after calculation of phase current, we can calculate line current simply by multiplying phase current by root 3. Power consumed in a balanced three-phase system capital P is equal to 3 into power consumed by one phase, that is equal to 3 into VPH into IPH into cos phi. So here also the expression for power when we consider phase quantities is 3 into VPH into IPH into cos phi. If we consider line quantities, then power consumed capital P will become 3 into VPH. VPH is equal to VL, we have written. And what is IPH? IPH is equal to IL by root 3. Into cos phi, that is power factor. By cancelling 3 by root 3, we get root 3 into VL into IL into cos phi. Whether we are studying star connected system or delta connected system, the expression for power remains same when we take into account line quantities or phase quantities. Dear students, I will stop the class here. In next class, we will solve few problems based on three-phase systems. Thank you.